External credit rating. See, what is this external credit rating? Many customers are asked by the bankers to go for external credit rating. There are external credit rating agencies who will study the business and credit profile of the customers. And after studying this business and credit profile, they will assign rating. They will assign rating, and this rating is used by the bankers to assess the customer and understand the risk profile of the customers before taking a sanction decisions. So credit rating agency would basically study the customer and would give a rating which will be used by the bankers to assess and understand the risk profile of the customers. There are various credit rating agencies. I'll name a few. One is CRISIL, two is ICRA, then we have CARE, we have ONICRA, we have Fitch, we have SMERA. Whereas the SMERA, ONICRA are specializing in SMEs, whereas CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, Fitch are all larger agencies who cater to the rating requirements of SMEs as well as a corporate segment of customers. So how this rating methodology works? We'll see. In rating methodology, the focus is on to assess the cash generating capacity of the business and adequacy to meet the debt obligation in difficult times. Every business will take loan, but do they have cash generating capacity so that they can meet those loans, especially during difficult times? That's what tested in credit rating. And they will also study the long-term fundamentals of the business. When we say long-term fundamentals, their policies, their systems, their procedures, the management, the organization, the chart, everything, and what could be the probabilities of changes. That's what they focus on. So the rating agencies will work the rating within a framework. There is a rating framework where they focus on operational characters, how you are doing the business, how successfully you are doing the business, and number two, they'll also look at the financial characters. What is the financial position of your company? What is the profit earning capacity? What is the profitability? All this will be looked into, because these only ultimately decides the credit quality of the customer. So by analyzing all this, they give a financial rating, or I would say they would give final rating. So this credit rating is basically a judgment which is given after analyzing the various factors, but it covers the operational and financial characters of the business.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.